guys, it's me, Moonlight, back again. Part 2 of Magic Slime Satisfaction. Well, in our last video, Black Hole was answering the phone.
Yep, and
What
he said
did
we
you
are.
say?
They said we were the worst people ever. Were you?
What?
They said we're worse. They said we're worse than one thing.
I'm calling them. Give me a phone. I threw it away. Give me a phone. Sorry, guys. I'm just gonna cover you up with slime. And we're back. Black Hole's not returned. What the? Where the best people in the world? Hey, give me the phone! Oh. Wiggle, wiggle. Sorry. And I'm wiggle away.
None.
Wait, yes, YouTube. Yes, yes. I want you to say you suck. Balls. Balls! Slime balls. You know that, right? Yeah. Well, Black Hole's been... I need to call the cops. Hold on. Guys, I'm calling the cops. The slime police. What? Hello? Yes. Yeah, there's this lady that's stealing my slime. And she won't give it back. Okay, you coming? Okay. Be right back. Guys, you're coming. Hello? It's the slime police. I got the slime badge.
I know you don't. I'm just recording. I'm just recording a video.
Doesn't mean you can steal slime. Guys, I have the slime police badge. Get down on the ground. Well, now I'm the slime police and I'm stealing the video.
No.
Guys, sorry for the mess. Well, if you don't know, I have my own house, guys. We work, by the way.
Oh yeah, we do.
This is our house. I mean, like, we pay the rent and stuff.
Everything, just we let everyone live in here.
Well, and then
we don't even let them in.
And then everyone bought a mansion, but we decided to stay in our house.
Was that you?
Guys, I think it's time to end the video. Am I forgetting something? I feel like
Always eat slime.
Oh, they can't see. They have to go like this. Slime.
Piece of slime.
Just to end the video. Wait.
I end the video.
No, hold on, guys. I need to make something. Guys, you can't see me because I am the slime police. Now open.
Open sesame.
This is the slime. Slime subscribe button. Subscribe and hold on, guys. I'm covering my hands with slime.
Ready? I'm about to reveal.
Guys, I'm not ready.
Revealing. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Guys, and like the video.
So press this whole entire button.
Yeah, like and subscribe.
Let me get my piece back.
That was mine! Guys, sorry. Well, see you next time on the new video.
I don't think we ended it.
Guys, sorry, it's not ended.
It's